Here's how cold showers can change your life. We're just going to go straight into it. I'm not going to waste your time. The first way is that it completely fixes your dopamine levels and makes you feel so much better. When you have a cold shower, it releases endorphins and dopamine. Endorphins and dopamine are like your feel-good chemicals. When you've got endorphins and dopamine, you feel good and you feel motivated to do things. Now, not only do they make you feel good and motivated, they also make you more sensitive to these endorphins and dopamine. So it's kind of like a double hit here. They give you these like good hormones, these good chemicals in your brain. They also make your brain more sensitive to them so that these chemicals have more of an effect. So it's just like bam, like that. After you get out of the cold shower, you'll feel super motivated and super great that you've done it. There's actually a study that showed that cold showers have a greater high than cocaine, which seems pretty mad that cold showers give you a greater high than drugs, and cold showers are actually good for you as well. The second benefit is that cold showers help you burn fat, and it actually increases your metabolism. When you have a cold shower, your body burns brown fat. Now, brown fat is sort of just the fat your body uses for energy. So when you have a cold shower, your body burns this brown fat to create heat, to like warm itself up so you don't freeze to death in the cold, yeah. So that helps you lose fat, and then it also increases your metabolism because your body gets used to burning fat for energy rather than just using your food as energy. So it gets used to burning this fat as energy, so then during the day when you exercise, your body is more likely to burn this fat. The third benefit of cold showers is that it improves your muscle recovery. When you're cold like I am right now, your blood vessels like dilute, so that your blood vessels go smaller. That actually means like there's less blood going to you. So like, you know, when your fingers are cold and like you can't move them very fast, like this is the fastest I can move my hand right now because my hand's cold, yeah. That's because there's less blood going to you because the blood vessels have gone smaller to save heat and keep heat into your actual body. So when your blood vessels are smaller, less of the like inflammatory chemicals that your body sends out. So your body, when your muscles are like sore and tired, your body sends out inflammatory chemicals and stuff. I don't know why, but it just does. And then that makes your muscles inflamed and it slows down recovery. Now, when you go cold and your blood vessels go cold, so there's less blood going to your muscles, less of these anti-inflammatory chemicals get into your muscles, which aids in muscle recovery, like to recover faster. Cold showers also improve your lymphatic system. I think that's how it's pronounced, your lymphatic system. And that's the system that removes the lactic acid from your muscles and takes the waste products away from your muscles, which is like, so you know when you're done a big set and your muscles are really sore and tired, that's because there's a buildup of lactic acid in your muscles. And to get rid of the lactic acid, like oxygen needs to come and take it away. We won't go into that, but having cold showers improves that system of the oxygen taking away the soreness, the lactic acid from your muscles. So that aids in recovery, and it'll also make your muscles be able to endure more. The next benefit is that it improves your immune system, and that's because it drastically improves your production of white blood cells. So you create more white blood cells, and white blood cells are the cells in your blood that fight infections and fight disease and stuff. Now, if you have more white blood cells, you're gonna fight infections. So when you do get sick, you're not gonna be sick as long, and you're not gonna be as sick if you have cold showers. And I can tell you from personal experience, ever since I started cold showers just over a year ago now, I haven't been anywhere near as sick as I have been before I've started taking cold showers. And that is due to this increased white blood cell production. The next benefit is that it improves your skin quality. And I can't really talk from experience here, but ever since I started putting my face under the water in cold showers, I've seen a massive reduce in like my acne and stuff. Because it, again with the inflammation thing, it stops your face from inflaming up. And it also improves blood circulation, which helps fight the infection and everything. Because acne is actually an infection, technically, because it's the bacteria. So it helps get rid of that because it aids in the blood getting there. The next benefit of cold showers is that it improves your sleep. Now, you can do the cold shower before you go to sleep or after you wake up. Personally, I do it after I wake up because all the science shows that it's actually better for you if you do it after you wake up. But it really is down to personal preference because some people prefer doing it before they go to bed. But like, the science doesn't support that. So you try both and see what works for you. But the science goes into it that if you have a cold shower after you wake up, because like when you're asleep, your body temperature is lower than it is when you wake up. So when you wake up, you want your body temperature to go up quickly. Now, it's kind of counterintuitive to have a cold shower because you think your body would cool down. That's actually wrong. When you go in the cold shower, yes, your body cools down, but as soon as you get out the cold shower, your body warms itself up past the temperature you were at when you went into the cold shower. So having a cold shower actually speeds up your rate of increasing body temperature, if that makes sense. And now the last benefit of cold showers is that it makes you more disciplined and it trains your mental toughness. Cold showers are hard, obviously, yeah, but if you do them every day and you do them consistently, your discipline and your mental toughness is just going to go through the roof, because you're doing a hard thing every day, and that's just going to make you so much more disciplined, and then you can apply that skill of discipline into every other aspect of your life. Then everything in your life is going to be so much easier if you're more disciplined. I hope this video helped you. If it did, bro, then subscribe, please.